Let's say you take a taxi in Seoul. You arrive, you pay, you open the door, and you politely say, 안녕히 계세요, stay well. It feels right, it's grammatically correct, and it's wrong. Almost every beginner makes this exact mistake because it's what the textbook logic tells you to do. And strangely, this tiny goodbye is connected to the real reason most Korean learners quit within 6 months. Let me show you. I've taught Korean for over 7 years, more than 8,000 hours, and I've trained close to 1,000 teachers. Korean teachers. When you watch that many learners, you stop seeing individuals and you start seeing a pattern. And the pattern is this. People don't quit Korean in month 1. Month 1 is fun. They quit somewhere between month 3 and month 6. I called it the 6-month valley. And once you understand why it happened, you can walk straight through it instead of falling into it. Here's how it goes. The first month feels amazing. You learn 안녕하세요, 감사합니다, 커피 주세요, and suddenly you're speaking Korean. Every day you grow, it's addictive. Then around month 3, the ground disappears. You think, I know hundreds of words, but I still cannot understand Koreans. I've studied for months, but K-dramas are still too fast. I know the grammar, but when Korean talks to me, I freeze. And here's the dangerous part, what you tell yourself next. Most people think, maybe I'm just bad at languages. Maybe Korean is too hard for me. I need you to hear this clearly. It's not your talent and it's not your motivation. The problem is what you were taught to study. You were taught textbook Korean, and the textbook Korean is not the Korean people actually speak. Let's go back to the taxi. Your textbook taught you 2 goodbyes. 안녕히 가세요 go well for the person who is leaving, and 안녕히 계세요 stay well for the person who is staying. Simple. So in the taxi, you reason, I'm getting out. The driver stays in the car, so the driver is staying. 안녕히 계세요. Logical, correct by the textbook. And wrong, because the driver isn't staying anywhere. The moment you close the door, the drive off, they're going 안녕히 계세요 is for someone who remains in a place. The shop owner standing in their shop, your friend staying home, a taxi driver pulling back into traffic is going. So you say 안녕히 가세요. No textbook explains this. Because a textbook teaches the rule, not the room. And Korean is full of this. Take 천만에요. Every textbook lists it as you're welcome. But say it to a real Korean and they'll smile because almost nobody says 천만에요 in daily life anymore. People say 네, 아니에요. 별 말씀을요. Or greetings. Your book says how are you is 어떻게 지내세요? Technically true, but a Korean neighbor will greet you with 어디 가세요? Where are you going? Or 식사하셨어요? Did you eat? They're not asking for your schedule or your lunch. It's just hello. Answer literally and you've missed the language even though every word was correct. This is the gap nobody warned you about. You can be 100% grammatically right and still sound 100% like a textbook. And that gap is exactly where the 6-month valley lives. So, why does the gap form? Because of how we study. Most learners collect Korean instead of using it. You know 은는 and 이가. You know 고 싶어요. You know 봤어요. And then someone asks, 오늘 뭐 했어요? What did you do today? And you freeze. Not because you don't know the grammar, because you've never actually used it on a living person. And it gets worse because collecting feels productive. New application, new podcast, new YouTube channel, new textbook. Your brain gets the feeling of studying, the dopamine without the discomfort of speaking. Months pass, your notes are beautiful, your speaking has moved. Here's the truth after all those hours of teaching. Language learning is not a motivation game, it's a habit game. Motivation lasts about 3 weeks. Habits last 3 years. The students who make it through the valley are almost never the most talented. They're the one who show up for 10 minutes every single day. And they do one thing differently. They don't try to learn Korean. They try to use it imperfectly on purpose. A tiny 일기, diary, 3 sentences a day. They shadow one clip until the rhythm is in their mouth. They leave Korea comments. They talk before they're ready. They treat correct for real. So if you're somewhere in that valley right now, losing momentum, wondering if you're just not a language person, remember the taxi. You weren't failing. You were taught the rule and never shown the room. That's a teaching problem, not a you problem. And that's exactly why I teach the way I do. Real Korean, the way it actually leaves a Korean person's mouth. If you want to practice that with me, I have a Discord community where I share the PDF for every video, shadowing practice, so you actually build the habit, and a group of Korean learning friends, so you are never doing this alone. The link is in the description. Come walk through the valley with us. 안녕히 가세요. See you inside.